Hi guys, it's Autosloth here and welcome to another video. Today, we have another Diecast unboxing, which will be in a string of 3. This one will come out, I don't know when this one will come out, but the next one will come out 10 a.m. next Wednesday, which would be Wednesday the 27th. Then, the next one is coming out 10 a.m. the one after that, which would be a Wednesday in June. I'm not sure when. The first Wednesday in June. Anyways, also, before we get into this video, you guys are rocking it. Every single one of my videos that I've so far posted on the channel has been viewed at least once in the last 48 hours. One was viewed 3 times, and you guys have given me a total of 236 views. So, thank you. And now, we're going to get into the first Diecast unboxing. And if I say anything weird, I would just like to say these are all being recorded at the same time, so if I say anything weird that's not according to the actual time that's being posted in, that's probably why. Anyways, so our first diecast that we're going to unbox today is the number 18 Hazelnut Spread M&M's car. I have needed a new Kyle Busch diecast for so long. This one's really satisfying to get because I still had his 2017 Snickers car. That was my only Kyle Busch. So, let's open her up. We also did get a free hood. Also, what I forgot to mention in the earlier part of this is that you guys, or 15 of you guys, are subscribed to me, which is why I did this whole called all the views, but I forgot to say the actual reason why, so that's why the hood fell out here. So here's our hood. Pretty straightforward. Toyota NASCAR Authentics on the back. So we'll put it here. And now we have the actual thing, so we'll take out this little plastic lining. Let's get the car. So it seems pretty straightforward. I have been buying a lot of Toyotas lately. I don't have that many. I'm trying to get my camera to focus right now. We'll just give it a second while I talk. But this might be my favorite. He ran this car actually a lot this season. Because, I don't know why, but he ran a lot, he got a few wins. I think he won at Pocono in this car. Or Michigan, one of the big tracks. So, yeah, that's the background thing. And through these next 3 videos, which are sort of a series, you will see the hood or other sort of thing that came with the car. And the car being the corner, as I just rammed this against my tripod. Oh no. Look what I did. Come on. Okay, the camera won't focus, but I messed this up a little bit. Just unfortunate, but got all the excess paint off, and now it just looks like he's been bumped a little bit. Anyways, so that will round off this video. As always, everyone, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. As I said, this will be the start of a series of 3 videos coming out. One today, as you've already seen. Then the next one will be 10 a.m. or I think 10 a.m. Probably around 10 a.m. on May 27th. Then the first Wednesday of June, I'm not going to calculate all of that, which will be 10 a.m. also. So, as I think I've already said this, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is Autosloth signing off.